If your account is showing a status of pending and you're worried about a delayed payout, it usually means your information is still in the verification phase. In this video, I will show you how to check your status and fix Airbnb payout pending issues. To begin, log into your Airbnb account on a desktop. Click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, select Account Settings, and then click on Payments from the list on the left. Once the page loads, click on the Payouts tab at the top to see your active methods. If you see the word pending next to your method, it simply means Airbnb is currently verifying your details with your bank. This process usually takes between 3 to 7 business days, depending on your payout type. For example, PayPal is often faster, while international bank transfers take the longest. During this time, Airbnb may send a small test deposit to your account to confirm it's valid, so keep an eye on your bank statement. Airbnb send you an email as soon as your payout method is ready and the status changes to default or ready. If the pending status lasts longer than 10 business days, there might be a problem. In that case, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Help Center. Search for your specific issue and click the Contact Us button to speak with a representative via chat, email, or phone. That's how you fix an Airbnb payout pending status.